All right, good evening. Judy Allen here, San Antonio, Texas, doing an impromptu again. I already promised everyone in the household I was not doing an up all night on a Thursday night, but I can't tell about Friday night. So there you go. All right, this is quick and fun and simple. I just want to show you this kit here. It's pretty, can't even think right now. It's so late. But anyway, it's simple, and I'm going to show you. It won't take long at all. I already made the cards. I already given 4 of them away with us 4 left to go. So there you go. Let's go down the hands and let me show you what's in this kit. All right, there is 2 card designs in this kit with simple instructions. There's no stamping. It's Precious Parcel Card Kit. Instructions like everything. It's just 2 cards you're making. And these are the 2 cards. I want you to look how beautiful these are. And it's basically folding. Let's see if I can unfold this for you. I can't unfold this for you because it did have double-sided tape that you tape this down. That was it. This was just a pill right here. Comes in different languages. You peeled one off and you put it on the card. The ribbon was probably the most of anything that you really had to do. All right? It fed through the 2 holes here. But you have this card and this card here. And how beautiful and simple. And these things are cool because look how they pull out. So they pull out. Let's see if we can get that one out. They pull out, and you put a message on here as well as the inside of the card. But I like that little postage stamp there with a little clip. It comes with it too. So quick, simple, easy to make. I did this on YouTube. Well, I do have it on YouTube, but I did also on Facebook Live on Wednesday with Keep It Simple, Stepping It Up, because this was very simple. All right? So I just wanted you to know this because it's part of the BOGO sale right now, and everything's while supplies last, but it's too pretty, and I want to be sure to show you that and look at the envelopes. So if you want one, you'll have to let me know because I only have 4 left that haven't been committed to. So with that, that is short and simple to be able to show you that parcel. What's it called? Precious Parcel Card Kit, right? All right. So don't miss out if you want it because it's a BOGO sale. Like I said, it's buy one get one 50% off, and it doesn't matter. You can mix and match all the different kits they have, but they're while supplies last. All right. So Judy Allen here with Adventurous Stamping, also Zoe and Nana Stamping, and we're out there YouTube, Pinterest, and Instagram. So there you go. All right. Be blessed. Have a great evening, and I'll see you tomorrow. I have Teach Me Nana at noontime, and we'll try to do another impromptu with another kit tomorrow night as well, too. All right. Be blessed. Go create, share, and give. Later.